In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an eToro account. Whether you're new to trading or just exploring eToro's features, setting up an account is your first step. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. Head over to the eToro website by typing in eToro.com. Once you're there, take a moment to explore the homepage. It's packed with information about trading, investing, and the platform's unique features. When you're ready, look for the Join Now or Trade Now button. You'll usually find it prominently displayed. Clicking either button will take you to the registration page. Here, you'll need to enter a few details. Start with your email address. Make sure it's one you check regularly, as eToro will send you important updates and information. Next, create a username. Choose something you'll remember, but also something unique. This will be your identity on the platform. After that, it's time to set up a password. For your security, choose a strong password. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. This step is crucial for keeping your account secure. Once you've entered these details, you'll see an option to accept the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Take a moment to read through them. Understanding these terms is important as they outline your rights and responsibilities. With everything filled in, click Create Account. You'll see a confirmation that your account has been created. Remember, this is just the beginning. Before you continue to explore eToro, there are a few things you need to have ready. Ensure you have a valid email address, a mobile phone number, a government-issued photo ID, and recent proof of address. These are essential for verifying your account later on. Let's talk about verification for a moment. Registration on eToro is free. However, to fully access all account features, verification is required. This step is vital because it enhances security and ensures compliance with regulations. Plus, it gives you full access to eToro's trading features. Now, here's a bit of good news. Every new account includes a virtual portfolio. This comes with $100,000 in demo funds. It's a fantastic way to practice trading without any risk. You can explore strategies, learn the platform, and gain confidence before investing real money. At this point, you've successfully created your eToro account. From here, you can dive into the platform, explore its features, and start your trading journey. Whether you're interested in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other assets, eToro offers a wide range of options. Remember, creating an account is your first step, but it's just the start. Take your time to explore and learn. The virtual portfolio is a valuable tool, so use it to your advantage. Test different strategies, get comfortable with the interface, and develop your skills. As you progress, always keep security in mind. Protect your account by enabling two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that only you can access your account. And there you have it. You've now completed the process of creating an eToro account. With your account ready, you're well on your way to exploring the world of online trading. Thank you for watching and happy trading.